Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Laptop Explorers 11. Today I will be doing Python series day 8 functions. So let's get started with day 8 functions. So what are functions? Functions are blocks of code which can help you repeat a task again and again in any kind of project, in any kind of Python project. So for example, just imagine that you are in the middle of a Python project and you find yourself repeating a task here and there in different parts of the program. So this is where functions come in. Instead of typing the same uh, task code again and again, you can type 4 lines of code once, but use the same 4 lines repeatedly by typing it in only one line. So in that way, functions can be useful. So you don't have to repeat all the 4 lines of code again and again, right? So it also makes your code look neat, and it also like helps you to save your time. So to make it simpler, I'll also show you how functions look and how to create functions. So let's see how to create a function in the ideal shell. So I've opened the ideal shell. You can also open it and try the code out. So to create a function, first you need to type def, and def is basically going to define the function, and then you type the function's name. So I'll say call underscore me. So this blue colored call underscore me you see right here, right, which I've highlighted, that is the name of the function. Now I type empty parenthesis colon, enter. Now I'm inside the function, so I can like yeah, you remember we were talking about the task, right? So I can type in the entire task over here. Just imagine that this is a complex 4 lines task, or I'll just copy paste it. Yeah, so if this is our 4 lines task which we are like repeating in the code again and again, and we don't yeah, we want to make the code look neat, we want to save our time, so we can use the function. Now to execute the function, so see, we have created the function. Now if I enter, now nothing happens, the function isn't like taking place. So you can see that we need to like call the function, and to call the function you type the function's name, call me. For in this function I've named it as call me to make it easier, and then empty parentheses. So that is going to call the function. And also the function isn't only used to like print things, it can have if else statements, variables. It's not only like it's not only used to repeatedly print things, it can repeatedly do if else statements or anything it might be. And yeah, I'll call the function. So now if I click enter, the function gets executed. Hey there 4 times, hey there 4 times. So it's, yeah, as I said, it's not only for printing. Functions can execute any kind of code repeatedly. So I hope you all understood the concept of functions. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.